Yo, what's up guys, it's me Riza and I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title of the video, what we're gonna do today. So basically we're gonna open this cork ball up and see what's inside. So let's do it. Yeah, and if you can see closely, the ball is very dirty because I've played with it a lot. So let's do the edit now. Okay guys, so I've opened this cork ball up and this is what is inside a cork ball. It is a yellowish white semi-hard ball with some great bounce. You can use this for bouncers practice. So I suggest you go to a cricket shop, buy a cricket cork ball, cut it open and use it for bouncers practice. Lilith, who would go to a cricket shop, buy a cork ball and cut it open? Who would do that? I forgot there was a ball. Lol. Me. And others?
I don't know.
And now we're just gonna do some batting with this ball. Let's see how it goes.
Oh. Yeah. That's a good strike. Yeah. That's a short one. It's. Oh, that's out of the ground.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and turn post notifications on. Bye bye.